trying to address domestic violence and rape in the South Pacific. So in the South Pacific, the rates of violence against women are over 50%. So imagine, or 1 out of 2 people, 1 out of 2 women have been impacted or faced that type of assault on their dignity. And this is another really disturbing statistic. In some parts of the South Pacific, the first sexual encounter for a woman, for a young woman, is rape, right? So over 50% of women, that is their first sexual encounter. So there's some really, you know, and when I'm talking about structural discrimination, this is an example of structural discrimination because, you know, it's one thing where this atrocity is happening. It's another thing when the state is refusing to acknowledge or to do anything about it. So oftentimes domestic violence and rape, even if they're reported, prosecutors don't take it seriously. The judiciary doesn't take it seriously. To give you even something more egregious, there's actually case law that is based on some cultural norms that are practiced in Fiji. So basically, when someone commits an assault, there's case law that says that if you apologize, if you provide compensation, you could mitigate that assault, meaning that you may get a lesser sentence or maybe thrown out altogether. Now, what the court has done is they've actually read in to that statute sexual assaults. That means even for sexual assaults, you can apologize to the family. This doesn't even mean you apologize to the woman who you committed the act against. You can apologize to the family, and you know it's a paternalistic society. You apologize to the male family, you give them money, and all things can be swept under the rug. That's how deleterious this situation is in the South Pacific, specifically in Fiji.